today I got my veggie pods to start our garden at our new house in Chatsworth. I'm super excited. It's my birthday gift and we are about to start gardening. It's been 6 months without a garden. I've been dying.
What's up, Tyson? Good seeing you, man.
Tell me about this. How did you come across Vegepod?
I'm always looking for the next thing, the most sustainable mechanism to get you your food in the most efficient manner. Nothing beats this from what I've seen. So after looking up solutions and how to, trying to find things that I can create and build myself, YouTube and other things like that, I came across these guys in Australia, man, and they got a great product. A really great product that allows you to grow your food super fast, super efficiently, without any pests or any damage and very low maintenance, little to no maintenance.
What do we have here? We have a tomato tree, some kind of tomato?
Yeah, they got the cherry tomatoes going, man, all day with a little bit of basil, just showing that you can, interplant these things. This is their small option. The small one sits about 3 feet off the ground, has wheels, right? So if you're on a flat deck or patio, you can use wheels. You can lock these wheels and lock them into place. They come with a stand. They'll also remain on gravel. Then they also come with a top. This one doesn't feature the top because he's growing tomatoes and chances are it's going to grow out of it. But right next to it, you see a medium. Now this one is double the size for not even double the price. It comes with a screen. And like you said, this screen blocks those harmful rays, man. That's super crucial, especially in California where we get this 100-degree weather. You got to knock out some of those rays, and this one doesn't. You can't rip it. I mean, it's super durable. You can't tear it, so there's no bug that's going to chew through that. A mouse can't climb up this stand that's made out of steel and get in there. But when you open it up, now you're getting your whole yield. You're getting everything. You're getting all your full veggies without any holes in them, any bites in them. It doesn't exist because it's protected, man. So I'm very excited about that. You got 2 or 3 different types of lettuce here. You got your Swiss chard, you got kale, and I'm sure this guy just threw this stuff in here, man. Just threw these seeds in here just to experiment. If you do it efficiently and do it the right way, you can sustain your family, man. Cut those trips to the grocery store in half, rock out in your backyard, grow your veggies.
Supposedly 75 heads of lettuce to one large veggie pod. That's
And
what I'm excited.
we got 6 of these large garden pods with stands, so they're elevated off the ground so the squirrels can't get them and the bugs can't get them, and then they're covered and they're misted, and then the water stays inside. I'm super excited to try this new, amazing, innovative veggie pod. This is supposed to be the new thing. So it's my birthday gift, and I'm super happy about my birthday gift. Let's get
Birthday, Ali.
cracking.